Hi everyone, Thao here. If you enjoy customizing every aspect of your phone, I don't think anyone does it better than what Samsung has going on, especially with Good Lock. I finally got the chance to try out their new Good Lock app, Keys Cafe, and it's absolutely ridiculous. Ridiculous in a good way, of course. There's 3 main things you can do inside Keys Cafe. You can customize the layout of your keyboard, you can style your keyboard, and you can play these typing-based games to give that new keyboard a whirl. Okay, diving into the make your own keyboard menu, here you can customize your English keyboard as well as the symbol keyboard. To get started, just hit the plus icon and hit edit. I haven't messed with the main keyboard too much. I've only removed the language switch icon here and made the spacebar a little wider. The symbol keyboard though is where I think you can make tweaks to really improve the typing experience. Yeah, there's so many symbols on these 2 pages that I literally never touch. So it's really nice to be able to go in and replace them with ones that I would actually use. Just tap on a key and go through the list on top here and choose another character you want to replace it with. You can also delete the key completely by clicking on the trash can or adjust the size of that key right here. Maybe you send a lot of fire or poop emojis. You can assign them to one of the actual keys for quick access. If you're trying to be more productive, my favorite has to be that you can actually add phrases that you might use all the time. For example, let's say you write "to whom it may concern" or something similar a million times in emails. You can simply add it to a key and now it's 1 tap away. The phrases can only be up to 40 characters, so it's not like you can have a full-blown paragraph saved. Still, it's much faster than typing out the same line over and over throughout your workday. Once you're happy with the layout of your keyboard, you can also change up the style. If you don't have the theme park app already, you'll need to download that as well to get started. You've got a whole bunch of recommended preset themes to choose from, and you can actually create your own, which is great and all, but that's nothing new, right? The Effects tab, though, is where the fun's at. It takes theming your keyboard to the next level, and it's such a Samsung thing to do. There's 3 layers of animations that you can fully customize. The first one is the main animation, and as you can see, there are 6 in total. I'll just go through them really quick for you. Now the second animation is what happens inside the actual key, and there are 5 styles. Again, I'll go through each one so you can see what they look like. And finally, the third layer is the motion effect. There's 3 in total, and that's what each one looks like. You can play around with different combinations of the 3 layers, or just use a single layer on its own. I personally like something a little more subtle, but you can totally go full-blown light show if that's what you want. So obviously this isn't for everyone. If you're in a professional setting, having your keyboard light up like fireworks probably isn't going to look too good. Wait, what am I saying? If you like it, screw it. Do you. Express yourself. Samsung also included a couple of typing-based games inside of Keys Cafe, where you can test out that newly created keyboard. I'm not gonna lie, Word Rain is kind of fun. Also, what's up with the Samsung? It's kind of dark. Anyways, I know this app has been out for a while now, but I've actually been having some fun with it, so I thought I'd share. As usual, thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, I'm out of here.